welcome back to my channel, Srishna's Vlog. Today I have a very exciting video for you all.
New vlog.
So it is now 9 a.m. and we are going to my grandfather's farm. Such a beautiful day outside to come and spend the day with nature. Shriyan, hi! These trees all around me are papaya trees. And what trees are these?
Paya.
We're walking through the papayas trees. My gosh. Is our mango trees. My brother's picking the mangoes. Birds here and they're eating the mangoes. You can hear the birds chirping. OMG guys, look how cute this mango is. How are the mangoes?
Super.
Super. Guys, I'm on a tree. I'm going to climb even more. This is my brother on a tree. So we've just gone all around the farm, just running around and having fun. Now we are going back to the car to have breakfast. That's my grandma and my brother and my grandpa over there. We are walking to the car. Guys, look at what we found. I wonder what this is for. Mama, oh, it's a little hut for them to stay when it's raining. Now we are walking back to the car. My grandpa and the helpers are plucking mangoes. That's the car. Wait. That's the car. Come, Shian, let's go. We are going to eat breakfast right now. We have a little surprise for us at the car. These mosquitoes or bugs, I guess. Guys, so this is brekkie, ponganalu, and chutney. Guys, now we are walking forward to get a close-up of the cows and meet them. Cows are right there, if you can see. Cows! Wait, it's blurred. Wait. Okay, there. The cows! Gosh. Did you see that bird? How beautiful! Alright, guys. These are the cows. Red, so they might come for me. More cows over there. Let me just show you. So there are cows over there, and all in this shed. And these are the like big cows. It's moving. Hi. Look, it's a mother and a little baby cow. How cute. 3 cows over here. I don't know their names. We're gonna ask the owner. Scratching its head towards the bark of the tree because there are mosquitoes all around. Just like chilling, cool guys swag. These are cows and those are buffaloes, the black ones over there.
Daddy, mommy, Akka.
Alina, are they dad, mom, and sister?
Yes. Akka papun.
Yes. Guys, so this is the shed, and there's the mother cow and the baby cow. Guys, there's a sheep too between the cows. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it was so scary. I was gonna go and like just like touch it, and the bigger one at the back literally was like, oh my gosh, that was so scary. This one, the closer we go, it's trying to jump away. I don't think they trust me anymore. They're all staring at me. I mean, they were staring at me. This is intimidating. We just saw the cows and now we're just going to spend some time here, you know, like the slow life vibe. And then we are going to go home. Once again, walking towards the car after meeting the cows. The amount of butterflies I saw, but I could not capture because they were just flying away too fast. They were so tiny and so small, but so extremely beautiful. Like, it just feels so good to be out in nature, looking at animals, spending time away from our phones. But I have to do this because I'm vlogging, but still there are so many off-camera moments which are super special. The mangoes, well, this is just 2, we got more. Okay guys, so I know I haven't posted in a while and there's no specific reason, but actually because all the videos are in the process of editing, I have 2 videos lined up for publishing, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I don't know, but I am going to publish a video soon, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to comment down below, share this video with your loved ones, and do not forget to hit the big red button, smash it guys, so you can get more awesome content, and also hit on the bell icon so that you can know when I post a new video. Guys, so now we are just going to go and chill because the weather's just so nice over here. Tractor over there. Been almost 5 years since I've came here. The last time I came with my cousins and it was such a vibe, like a cute little picnic. We had so much fun, especially since we were kids. Oh my gosh, there's a ladybug. Can you see it? It is the cutest thing. Guys, so yeah, as I was saying, last time was so much fun. As we were kids, we had like the best fun. We were running around everywhere. We had a little picnic, lunch, and everybody came. It was just so cute, and every time I come here I have the best memories. Mangoes are being loaded into the car. Guys, can you see the birds flying? It is absolutely perfect today. It's like not sunny and it's not like super cold either. There's a slight breeze and it's sunny in some areas and it's just so perfect. And it's not even like that early in the morning. It's like 10-11 p.m. So I'm just like walking around looking at the scenery. There are so many plants, birds, and really interesting creatures. Those are logged and loaded. Guys, now we are going to go home. Panchayat in session. Now we stopped at Muscatee to grab like ice cream and some snacks. Okay guys, we're just here at Muscatee. The bathroom is Sosai. I ordered a badam milk and I'll see what I'll get. And here I'm just trying my brother's milkshake. So they have these like swing light things at Muscatee and I'm just swinging on them and just like chilling.